Ooh, look at that. Hey y'all. Look at the bath salts. This one is 1,000 Wishes. 1,000 Wishes bath salt with Epsom salt, pink Himalayan sea salt, and Dead Sea salt. And I've got some butterfly pea flowers in here. And it smells so good, like 1,000 Wishes. So this scent for this bath salt is 1,000 Wishes. And what this bath salt does, the Epsom salt relieves soreness and pains and aches in your body. The Dead Sea salt detoxifies your body. And I forgot what the Himalayan pink sea salt do, but it does something good for your body too, y'all. So this right here. And the reason I added bath salts to my line is because I soak in Epsom salt every night when I take a bath because of my arthritis. And a lot of people do also. So why not soak in an Epsom salt that smells good like your soap and your body butter? So I made the bath salt to match the soaps and body butter. So this one is 1,000 Wishes, and it has real dried flowers. These are butterfly pea flowers, Dead Sea salt, Epsom salt, and pink Himalayan sea salt. And the scent is 1,000 Wishes. So y'all jump on these body butters. I'll be adding them to my website today, www.jebelsoap.com, JEBELSOAP.com. So this is 1,000 Wishes bath salt, y'all. And it got this whole area smelling so good. So I'm about to jar these up and put them on the site. Bye.